Hello, all my lovely art friends. Today we're doing a viewer request video. This one is going to be from, I hope I'm saying it right, Lisa Valaton. You asked that I do like a monochromatic open cut. So I have my whites, I have my gray, and I have black, and I'm going to do a double open cut with that. Very excited for this because it seems like it's going to be pretty interesting. So I'm going to use two different cups in two different places on the canvas. I'm going to kind of split it down the middle, have black on one side, white on the other, and see how it comes out. I think it's going to come out pretty cool. So let's get this thing started, shall we? So I'll put down a little bit just to put the cup on. I'm gonna need a little more than that, yeah. So how's everybody doing today? I am doing wonderful. Doing way better this week. Alright. So that'll give us a good starting point for this. And then I'm actually just gonna alternate black and the white and then scale it out. And I do want these colors to combine a little bit, so I am going to be dripping it from like a higher point. And we're gonna try to not spill so much paint today, because we spilled a bunch of paint last week. But it is what it is. Nature of the game. Paint will be spilled. Alright, so then white over here. And I want it to kind of churn through the other colors. And then black over here. A lot of you guys have been coming onto the videos and giving me such great comments, and I really appreciate those. You guys are so supportive. I appreciate it. I can't say how thankful I am, really. I can't really put it into words. It's like this started out as a passion of mine. Okay, so let's do a little bit of story time with Johnny. Okay, so about 2 years ago, I started painting. I had no idea what acrylic pouring was. I was in a pretty bad place in my life. I'm not going to go into all the details of how that happened unless you guys really want to hear about it. If you do, after this, just put a comment down and I'll go into more detail. But, you know, I had been on multiple deployments with the military. And you know how that goes. Seen a lot of things that I wish I could unsee. Lost some friends. Also, after coming back from that, family life started falling apart. So then I was dealing with that, ended up getting divorced. And yeah. So it was a very dark time in my life. And I really didn't know what to do. I felt kind of trapped and stuck. And, you know, had some pretty dark thoughts. And then I stumbled on some YouTube videos of this art form. And that quickly became an obsession, you could say. I mean, it became an outlet for me to express myself. Kind of a good way for me to just unplug away from everything that was going on. And I had been in love with it ever since. I absolutely love this art form. And you know, I'll give a quick little shout out, mention kind of to the artists that had a big impact on me. So there was Julie Cutts, Tammy Anderson Art. There was Gina DeLuca. There was Olga Solby. All these people. I mean, if I could personally thank those people for helping yank me out of the mindset that I was in, I really would. Because it was because of them that I even discovered this art form here. So I am very grateful to them for the work that they did. So if any of you guys are watching it, Olga Solby, all you guys, thank you so much. Like from the bottom of my heart, seriously. You saved me. So that's kind of what I try to do on this channel now, is just kind of spread a little bit of that love and positivity, you know what I mean, to others, because I know how much it impacted me. So if I can help or pull somebody out of a rut or inspire somebody the way they did for me, that's a win in my book. Absolutely. So it's already coming out pretty cool. It's definitely giving me the effect I was looking for. I don't know what's going on right here, but it'll pan out. The cells just don't want to, they just don't want to grow over there for some reason. But they will. Oh, they will. Alright. So I'm going to tilt it a little bit this way, so it forces more paint in that direction. What this is going to look like when I spin it, because it already looks really cool. There you go. Let's get some cells growing over in that direction. Oh, that side's being, this side right here is just being stubborn, huh? Well, that's okay. It can be as stubborn as it wants. So, let's see, how can we fix that? I'm gonna add just slightly, just a little bit more silicone to this black color, because I didn't use very much this time. Really didn't. Not a whole lot. And I'm gonna fill up this cup more, because this is the cup that doesn't want to cooperate with me. I mean, it's starting to, but the cells that it's creating right now, even under the heat, are kind of lackluster for now. I know after I spin it, the layers will become thinner, and they'll probably work a lot better. So, get rid of these empty cups. Put the remainder of this black in there. The camera probably just lost focus there because my hand's in the way. Alright, let's see what we get. Lift this up. Let that paint just slide around. And I'm going to get rid of this little perfect ring. With a little swipe. And then release the rest out of here. And do the same. And I want to say that this was our black side. I know we're going to end up losing a lot of this paint, but I want to give it something to move across. And then before we spin it, I will hit it with that heat gun a little bit. Try to get some more cell action going on. That's crazy what it's doing over here with the lacing. It's not doing that on that side as much. But yeah, a little bit more. 'Cause I mean, it's in the cup, we might as well use it, right? Alright, cool. A little bit more here too. Just a little bit there. Alright, so now I'm gonna hit it with the torch, center the composition, and we'll see what we get. Here's those cells. And that's what we like to see. Look at that. Gorgeous. This was a cool idea, Lisa. I don't think I've done like a monochromatic pour before. Alright, let me try to center it. And then we're gonna spin it. Y'all ready? I hope so, because we're about to get this thing started. Whoa. That is cool. I actually like that negative space right there too. Excuse me. I wonder if I'll be able to keep that. There, fix that corner there. Yeah, that negative space is really dope. I like that. So I'm about to go through and fix these corners. I don't want to stretch it anymore, because look at this. Look at all those gorgeous little cells, little round. Gorgeous. So let me get some more black. And I will fill in these two corners, because they're stark black. I can't use the drippings for that, or I'm gonna end up, you know, getting a strange color palette over there on those corners. There's one corner. Use a finger that hasn't touched the paint yet. And then the other corner. Oh guys, I might have to spin it a little bit, because right here it hasn't coated the canvas entirely. You know what? No. No. We're just gonna take this stick and drag the paint down. That is so cool looking. Alright. So now we're ready to blast it one more time with the torch. And I'm sure we'll get a whole bunch more cells opening up. Oh yeah, look at these. That is so cool. Wow. That is insane, all these little tiny cells that are opening up. Whoa. Look at that, that is crazy. Alright, so I love this. Thank you, Lisa, for this idea. Great idea. I'm gonna be doing more of these too, so if you see a color palette that you love or you wanna see, put it down in the comments. I will definitely get to it. And I'm gonna bring you guys down for a close-up so you can see this, because this is insane. All right, I'll be right back. Look at all these tiny little cells. So there's like these tiny little cells within these big, juicy, bubbly cells. And the colors didn't really mix too much, so we got a nice contrast between the black and the white. This middle looking so cool. I love that negative space right there. All that wispy lacing.
If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.